So I just got this smartwatch. This is the your sport partner. This is what it looks like. It comes just packaged like this. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's a really cool smartwatch because you can connect it if you have Alexa. You can connect it with Alexa. When you bring it out of the packaging, you have the charger right there, and then you have the smartwatch embedded in here. Very slick, very beautiful. So before you use your smartwatch, you want to first charge it up. So to charge it up, there's this magnetic area over here. So you just want to take your charger and just put it right there, and that's how you charge it up. Just plug it in and it will start charging. The next thing that you want to do is you want to download the Very Fit app from your phone. Okay, so we have that. We've connected our app on our phone, and then we want to connect it. So we've turned it on. I'm going to activate my Bluetooth. So now it is searching for the app, and it has found the app, which is good. It has found my smartwatch. So now I can select it and it can start pairing. Once it has paired, you can see how everything is paired together. I'm just gonna pair it, and once everything is paired, it's done. You allow. It's so easy to use quickly. So as you can see, it has the time on it, showing the time, showing the charging, showing the date, and it can show how many steps that I've taken in a day as I'm working. It also can do your blood pressure while you're sleeping. It can set everything up, and I like it. I like that it has this screensaver stuff, so it turns off, and it looks really good on the hand. Very easy to wear, looks really nice on the hand, and I can always tap it and I can scroll through. It can check my stress level. It's measuring my stress level right there when I'm walking outdoor. And also I can talk to Alexa. Okay, once I set up Alexa, I can talk to it. So for overall, it's a really nice health watch that you can use, especially if you're trying to keep track of your health. This is a very good one that you can use, and absolutely like it. I like how durable it is. So I also like the fact that you have the settings. You can do different settings. You can even use it like a flashlight, like this. That is very good. You can set your alarms, you can connect with your phone, you can do timer, you can do nighttime, and you can always, you know, disconnect it if you want. So it works really, really nice, very durable, and very functional for you to do whatever you want to do on a usual smart watch that is geared towards sports.